Garnish with basil, enhancing your dishes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's as flavorful as it sounds: garnish with basil. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just love learning new English phrases, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning behind this culinary term and learn how to use it in your everyday conversations. First things first, let's break down the term garnish. To garnish is to add decoration or embellishment to something, especially food. It's not just about making the dish look more appealing. It's also about adding a touch of extra flavor or texture. When you hear garnish, think of it as the final touch that transforms a dish from good to great. Now, onto the star of our phrase, basil. Basil is a fragrant herb that's widely used in cooking, particularly in Mediterranean and Italian cuisine. It's loved for its fresh, peppery flavor, which can elevate the taste of a dish significantly. When a recipe suggests to garnish with basil, it means adding fresh basil leaves on top of the dish before serving. This not only adds a pop of color but also infuses the dish with a delightful aroma and taste. Using garnish with basil in cooking is simple yet effective. Here are a few tips. Choose fresh basil for the most impactful flavor. Tear or gently chop the leaves to release their aroma. Add the basil right before serving to maintain its freshness and color. This phrase can be applied to a variety of dishes, from pastas and pizzas to salads and soups. In everyday English, you can use garnish with basil to add a culinary twist to your conversations. For example, describing a cooking experience, I made a tomato soup and garnished it with basil for an extra kick. Sharing a cooking tip, always garnish with basil. It makes the dish look and taste amazing. And there you have it, the simple yet flavorful phrase, garnish with basil, demystified. Remember, cooking is as much about the language you use as it is about the ingredients. We hope this video has added a new term to your English vocabulary and perhaps even inspired you to experiment in the kitchen. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning, and happy cooking!